hairstyling with a transparent lace wig from Yolissa Hair and putting it to the test. I noticed that they're popular, so let's see what it can do. They did send some lashes that I didn't use, an elastic band that I didn't use either because the wig fit properly, care instructions, and a drawstring bag for storage. So the first thing I'm gonna do has nothing to do with hairstyling but rather color. I'm using some powder lightener by One and Only, just 1 cap full, and I'm also using some 20 volume developer, a whole lot of it. I'm not diluting it the way the instructions say, but I'm making a very weakly concentrated powder developer mix. And these are more instructions about the hair, so let's put this wig on and get to work. It's 20 inches long, 180% density, water wave texture, already parted, but you can part it any way you want. It's a lace front wig, pre-plucked hairline, all of that. So what I'm gonna do is section my hair off, and we are gonna do a brush on balayage kind of technique where I use a brush to color my hair. Because it's a weak concentration, it's just going to give me a hint of color, and my hair is gonna be not so one-dimensional and black, but it's gonna be black with hints of brown, and it's gonna look pretty in the sunlight, which is basically what I want, a nice sun-kissed look. I'm using my very old Denman brush to do this. I'm actually going to order one over the weekend, but I start at the very bottom and brush and then work my way up, making sure that the bottom is very concentrated, and then of course the remainder goes up, and it helps give me a nice little gradient of color. And I do have a more detailed video where I show you what it looks like when I dilute the powder lightener the way the company instructs, and I'm putting some at the top, just, you know, lightly touching close to the roots and coming all the way down to make this blend in and frame my face a little bit better. Again, it's very subtle. It's a very subtle sun-kissed look, so it's not going to be too obvious, but it's going to make my hair pop just a little bit and just enough for it to be super cute. So I am going to cut my lace. You can see the pre-plucked hairline. I'm cutting the back, and I'm also going in on that transparent lace with some lace tint spray, and you can see the sun hitting the hair right there. Beautiful. And that's basically what I wanted, something subtle and simple. This is the wig literally after I put it on. You can see the baby hairs. It looks very nice and natural. I feel like the tint spray shade that I used is the one for me now. I'm starting to get the hang of it. And I'm also using my Curly Magic to secure the unit on. You guys know I prefer a glueless method these days because I'm trying to save my hair. Also, I haven't used Got2b Glued in a while, but I may with a future video because I saw some really cool pointers online, so I might actually try it out the way I read what I read. And I am putting on a wig grip band which has hair on the Velcro. I don't even know how that happened, but I put it on for about 15 minutes and this is what we're looking like. It looks really good. I didn't do the baby hairs this day. I just felt like wearing my hair down. Didn't really feel like doing much to it because it looked so good. I mean, just looking at it right now, the water wave texture, this is without any product in the hair. I did not put any product in the hair. I just let it dry on its own. Look at that. It looks good. The hairline looks good. The hair looks good. The color came out exactly how I wanted it to. And I did try to tie my hair up that day, but it wasn't working out. I was just struggling and I had no idea what I was doing, trying to do a glueless wig, tying it up and all of that. But what I did end up doing a few days later is actually tying it up while it's still on the mannequin head, and I'm using some mousse to make the hair lie down after I part it. I'm parting it on both sides where my hairline dips going in, and I'm working the product down until it's nice and smooth. I've been following Braids Wig Queen for a while now. She's a fellow YouTuber and we follow each other on YouTube and Instagram, and she pretty much always ties her hair up before she puts her glueless units on. So I decided to adopt that method of styling instead of trying to do it after it's on, which is kind of silly because I didn't use product with a lot of hold. So Here you can see my pearlized pins. I have pinned my hair strategically around the styrofoam head, and here I am applying more product so that I can easily mold it the way I want to. Mousse is very lightweight. I've been saying this forever, and you know, I use it on my wigs, use it on my natural hair. Now I am going to tie my hair with the last hair tie that I own. I'm gonna order more of those. I have so many hair supplies that I have to order, you guys. It's ridiculous. I run out of everything. And that is all. I'm also doing my baby hairs while I apply mousse on the hairline to keep it nice and molded. That's basically it, you guys. Basically it. I've never done a hairstyle like this. I always think, I wonder what it's like to do this, but I've never done it. And there's a first time for everything, and I want to be more experimental with my units. I'm also wrapping around kind of like a bantu knot or a faux lock to make it look cuter. And I'm like a proud parent right now because this wig looks so cute, and I was just ready to put it on and see what it looked like. I was very, very nervous about the whole ordeal, but yeah, let's get this unit on and prepare it so that it can look decent. So this is what we're looking like right after I put it on. It fit without any product, and I was very impressed. Now the thing is, I had to go in with a medley of powders. Like, I went with medium, light, dark, medium, light, dark, because I had some of the pink from the hair dye on there and it bled through because of the mousse. So I had funny looking lace because it is transparent lace. So I went in with powders, and I went in with a black powder so I wouldn't look bald because I did use a lot of brown. And that's basically all that I did, you guys. I fixed it, I salvaged it, and it looks excellent. So yeah, I am really loving this hair. I'm loving the transparent lace. It's easy to manipulate. It is a little bit thicker than HD lace, but it is cheaper. And of course, it has the knots that are invisible knots, so it makes it look a little bit more natural than regular lace. So thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys, please give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share. More details will be in the description box, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.